I started this in the house back in like February. I'm going to redo it because I didn't do it the proper way. But let's see what we have in here. See a little potato there. Must have been the one I started from. Right there. Yeah, these are the ones I started from. I see another one there. That's the one I started from. So I may not have a lot. That's why I'm going to redo it. Because, yeah, I had too many in there. And it's been well over 100 days. I see 3 so far. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. I use the back end so I don't damage anything. Okay. Oh, that's a big one. Okay. We reached the pot of gold. So, got some potatoes I'll cook with tonight. I got quite a few in here. I'm definitely going to redo it, being that I know now the proper way to do it. I got some small ones, but I got potatoes. That was the goal. As you all can see, we've got potatoes. I'm going to pause it and get these out, and I'll be right back. Okay, not too bad. I got a few more left in there, but got a few big ones. But we're definitely going to redo it.